Good afternoon. Once again, welcome to all of you to MS PowerPoint class. So we had already started MS PowerPoint class last week. Today we will give a quick revision of that and we'll continue. So MS PowerPoint is a very useful software of Microsoft. So where you can make presentation for education purpose, for business purpose, and or so on. So there are so many slides available, so many themes available, so many designs available where you can choose and you can make your own presentation and you can make it very beautiful presentation. And it's a very easy to software where which you can learn very easily. It's not a very big deal. So let's start. Okay, I will continue with last day's slide once again, and I will show you how to do it so that you can understand very well. Because last day we had little bit disturbances in the class. So what is MS PowerPoint? MS PowerPoint is a powerful, easy to use presentation graphics software program that allows you to create professional looking electronic slideshows. So I already told you that we call it PPT. PPT is PowerPoint, is a powerful, easy to use presentation graphics where you can you can create professional looking electronic slides. Okay, now there is an image where you can see when a person opens the software, how does the window look like? It looks like this. Now, how to open MS PowerPoint on your personal computer? Okay, so what are the ways? You have to click on the start button. You have to choose all programs. You have to select MS Office. Then under MS Office, you have to click MS PowerPoint. Okay, now I am showing you. Okay, you have to go here. You have, this is all programs. Here you have to type MS Office. Okay, in MS Office, PowerPoint is there. So you have to click here and you can get a presentation. Like one new window will open. Okay, 1 second. Hello, who is there? Vishala?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, you were from which college?
JNTH, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so we have started doing PowerPoint presentation. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you like attend last day's class?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then I have just started. I wanted to do one quick revision because no one was there. I was just revising it. I'm again doing it for you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I have just told that what is PowerPoint. PowerPoint is basically a software. Uh, can you please switch on your video if you have and don't have any problem? So MS PowerPoint is a software in Microsoft where you can use PPT presentation for your own purpose, and you can make very beautiful, very useful PPT over there. For education, for business purpose, you can use it for any purpose. Now this is a like opening window when you will click on MS Office. So I just showed how you can open MS Office. Vishala, can you switch on your video? Please respond. Okay, so if you type MS PowerPoint here, so you are getting this window. So basically what you have to do, you have to go to all programs and type your MS PowerPoint and you have to double click here. When you are double clicking there, 1 second. Hello. Hi, Pudi. Actually, I'm in class. Okay. 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 So we have done till this. So now what is a PowerPoint presentation? So it is a combination of various slides depicting a graphical and visual interpretation of data to present information in a more creative and interactive manner. It's called a PowerPoint presentation or PPT. What is a slideshow in a PowerPoint presentation? So when all the slides of a PowerPoint presentation are set in series and then presented to a group of people, where each slide appears one after other, that in a set pattern that is known as a PowerPoint slideshow. So PPT is what is a combination of various slides depicting a graphical or visual interpretation of data to present information in a more creative and interactive manner. And what is a slideshow? Slideshow is basically the when all the slides of a PowerPoint presentation are set in series and then presented to a group of people, where each slide appears one after other in a set pattern, that is PowerPoint slideshow. And what all elements can be added to a slide? Clip art, graphs, tables, photographs, charts, media clips, videos, all these things. Okay. Now, what are the features of MS PowerPoint? There are multiple features which one can customize and optimize the presentation. The same have been discussed below. I'm going to show you all these things from the app. So slide layout is there. You will get this window. Okay. So you can insert all these things, clip art, video, audio, etc. This may include images, audio, video, header, footer, all these things. Okay. This was last day's topic. Hello, Shomshu bro.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay, you were
just
yes.
ma'am, a question for like I'm studying in Shrivannath College, and today our VC has said there are certified courses, okay, and there was certificate courses, and I mean in the app which is there is certified, there was a what do you say বাংলায় বলি ম্যাম
বলো বলো।
বলছি ম্যাম ওই আমাদের যে এটা বলা হয়েছিল এটা গোল সেটিং কাইন্ড অফ কিছু একটা আমার 1 থেকে 90 রোল নাম্বার যাদের তাদের গোল সেটিং এটার উপর ছিল, তো এটা কি ওই ক্লাস ম্যাম? আমি জানি না কারণ বুঝতে পারছি না আমি ঠিক।
এটা আমি বলতে পারবো না তোমাদের কলেজ থেকে কি বলেছে, কোন ক্লাস এটা পাওয়ার পয়েন্টের ক্লাস, এইটা আমি বলতে পারবো। বাট তুমি কোন কোর্সের জন্য এসছো, কি কোন ক্লাসের জন্য, সেটা আমি তো শিওর নয়।
আচ্ছা ম্যাম, না ম্যাম আমার আই মিন ওই টুডেজ মিটিং যেটা লেখা আছে ওইখানে ফার্স্টে লেখা ছিল 450-তে টুডেজ ক্লাস বলে একটা আছে, আর যেটা নর্মাল যেটা একদম ডাইরেক্ট যেটা খুলছে ওটা গোল মেকিং এ ওটা ভেতরে ছিল, আর যেটা একদম নর্মাল ইন্টারফেস খুলছে ডাইরেক্ট অ্যাপটা খুলেই
এটা আমি
ওইটাতে
একদম
আপনার।
বলতে পারবো না। আমি এই ক্লাসটা কন্টিনিউ করি কারণ আমাকে রেকর্ড করতে হচ্ছে, ঠিক আছে? তোমার যদি
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা,
ভালো লাগে তুমি এটা থাকো, আর না হলে তুমি
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
কলেজে কোনো টেকনিক্যাল কাউকে জিজ্ঞাসা করো। ওকে
ওকে ম্যাম, ওকে।
ওকে ওকে। So we have already shown how to open MS PowerPoint. Now, after opening PowerPoint, okay, I'm showing it to you once again. 1 second. like we will get this window. Okay. Now there are so many presentations, so many templates are there. So you can choose from there. Now there are again option home, new, open. So from home you are getting all these options. From if you click on this new, then one new like new slides, new templates you will get. Now you can choose from here any templates, any presentation according to your use. Now you can also search here online, like if you want any sports presentation, there are different slides available which you can use for your presentation related to sports. It will look nice. So if you choose here, then you can like copy it. One second, what happened? Just a second. Okay. So you can choose from here and then you can copy it, then your presentation will be open. But now for today, I am showing it to you on blank presentation. So if you click on blank, but some problems are happening. Just a second. Okay. So this kind of window will be open if you click on blank. Now this is one slide, blank slide. There is no design, nothing. So here you can add title and you can also add subtitle. Now how can you add title here? As this is very basic course, so I'm showing it to you from the very basic. So you can type like click here and you can type whatever the title is. Suppose it's sports. So you can type your title here. Now in this box, now you can type the subtitle here, like cricket. Okay. Now if you, this is the like first thing we can do in the first slide. Now if you want to add more slides, you can go to this button, new slide. You can see at the bottom of design, there is a new slide option. So you can choose from here. Now there are different kind of options like title, slide, title and content, section, header, all these things, to content, comparison, all these things are there. Now you can choose, suppose the second slide, you are choosing this one, the same thing. Now again in the third slide, you are choosing this one. Now like the title will be, there is less space and then the text space. So in the next slide, if you are choosing this one, to content, different things, slides you can choose. Like you can use it for comparison. Okay. Now you can use it for content with caption. All these options are there. Now, one more thing you can do, if like you are making any presentation and there are different kinds of topics, like different topics are there. So maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 slides are for introduction part. So you can go to this section button, add section. Like section 2. Okay. Now you can rename this one default section 1. So for your own convenience, you can do this. Okay, section 1 and section 2. So different sections are there, so you can show your slides according to that. Okay. Now we are talking about slides. Now, what is slide design? One second. Now, MS PowerPoint has various themes according things which background color and design or textures can be added to a slide. This makes the presentation more colorful and attracts the attention of the people looking at it. This feature can be added using the design category mentioned on the homepage of MS PowerPoint. Although there are Sorry for the interruption. So MS PowerPoint has various themes. What I told you that from where you can choose your themes, you can choose your templates and background color designs, which I have not shown it to you. This makes the presentation more colorful so that audience will be also attracted to it. This feature can be added using the design category mentioned on the homepage of MS PowerPoint. Although there are existing design templates available, in case someone wants to add some new texture or color, the option to customize the design is also available. Okay. So apart from this, slide designs can also be downloaded online. I told you. Okay. Now this kind designs are available there. Okay, you can choose from there. Okay. So let us go to the slides. Okay. Now, if you can choose the font size, uh, font color, everything. So you can select it. You can choose the font style, anything what you want. You can choose the font size. Okay. You can make it bold or underline. All these things you can do it from here. Then you can choose the font color also. Okay, so you have to write the text, select the text, then from here you have to, from this box, you have to choose the font style, then font size, everything. Left alignment, right alignment, you can do it from here. Now from this box, you can choose it like small or big, you can keep it on the in the middle, you can, all these things you can do. Okay, now I have shown you this layout option from where you can choose the style. And okay, so from here I have shown you what to do, and you can choose the font color, font size from here, so that all the slides will follow the same thing. Okay, and directions are also there. Now, how can you choose a design? There are so many designs available. If you choose this design, then all the slides will be like this. And you can also choose your design at the time when you are starting your presentation. Okay. Again, Now, after choosing the design, if you want to save the file, what you have to do, you have to go to save as, and then you can go to any folder and you can type the file name, then you can save there. Okay, so that's all. Now you can also insert here any tables, pictures, any photo, screenshot, shape, smart chart, art, all these things you can insert here. So how can you add table? If you go to table option, you are getting one option, insert table. So you can choose the column and the row from here. So if you go to this insert table, you can choose from here 5 and 2, then you can click here and table will be added. Now there are different kinds of like different colorful tables are there. You can add it from here. Okay. Now if you go to pictures, you can choose any picture from online or from your PC. So you can go to this device and you can choose any picture and you can paste it here. Or you can also put here any photo album. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to go to tables, then you have to go to insert table and you can add column number, row number, and you have to click on OK. And you can also go to Excel spreadsheet. Sorry. And you can add it here. So this way you can use you can do your presentation. You can make presentation. Now there are so different use of MS PowerPoint. I am showing you that. So MS PowerPoint presentations are useful for both personal and professional uses. Given below are a few of the major fields where PPT is extremely useful. Education, with e-learning and smart classes being chosen as a common mode of education today. So PowerPoint presentations are really helpful in making education more interactive and attract students towards the modified version of study. Marketing, in the field of marketing, PowerPoint presentation can be extremely important because using graphs and charts, numbers can be shown more evidently and clearly, which may be ignored by the viewer if being read. Now, to invite investors or to show the increase or decrease in profit, AMS PowerPoint can be used. Creating resumes, also digital resumes can be formed using MS PowerPoint. Different patterns, photographs, etc. can be added to the resume, depicting growth. Since both graphics and text can be added in a presentation, depicting the growth of a company, business, students' marks, etc. So you can use it in education purpose, in e-learning process, then in the marketing, then in the business, then in creating resumes, depicting growth, because you can show the numbers in chart, which we will learn in the next class. So I am again repeating what I have done today. What you have to do, you have to 1 second. You have to go to all programs and type your MS PowerPoint. Then you have to double click there. Then you are getting so many presentation. So from new, you can choose any presentation which you want. And if you want to choose from an old presentation or what you have made, you have to go here and you can open anything you want. Now you can choose any presentation like this, or if you are choosing any blank presentation, then you have to add any title, any subtitle, what you are presenting, your presentation title. Then you can add new slide from here. Now there are different kind of layout and different kind of slides available here. Now you can choose any one of this, and just you can add new slide. Else you can enter here and you can add how many slides you want to add. So one more thing I have taught you today, you can categorize your slides. Like you have introduction, you have body for your presentation. So you can make section, add section from here, like from slide 6, there is a section, like you can rename it as body, and you can, second, you can rename this one as introduction. Okay. Now, if you want to remove all sections, remove this, only your slides will be there. Okay. So that's all we have done, and we have also learned how to choose design. So you can come here and you can choose any design from here. It's not showing for some reason. And you can also add tables, pictures, and photo albums. I have shown you how to add table. One second. So you can add table from here. Insert table, you can go there, number of columns, number of rows, and okay. So you are getting so much options for the table, colorful options. You can choose anything. You can also add pictures from this device or any online pictures. So you can also add that one. Okay. Like this you have to do. We have learned till this point today. So do like you can make a one PPT presentation at your home. You can open Microsoft PowerPoint, then choose any blank presentation or choose any theme, whatever you like, and you make 2 or 3 sections over there, and insert 1 or 2 pictures, and um, save it on in your PC. Okay, so we'll meet again next day, and if you have any query you can ask me. So that's all for today.